Searching the tax record brings up a wealth of information, and RMLS offers a variety of search options to fit your particular purpose. We can search by tax address, tax ID, and tax main. We'll go through each one and demonstrate the kind of data that can be found.
To start, we'll go through the tax ID search. This is the simplest search method. We can choose to enter the specific county, or if we're unsure of the county, we can select all and enter one or more tax IDs separated by a comma. For this demonstration, we'll start by clicking the Clear button to reset the search parameters. Then we'll enter a single ID. The search results list the tax ID, county, address, current owner, the last sold date, and the tax amount. The Listing button opens the RMLS Listing Load module so we can create a new listing with the information from the tax record already populated. The History button will appear purple if this tax ID has been associated with a listing in the RMLS. The results show the listing history for this property. For definitions of what these abbreviations mean, we can click on Help and choose the Property History Report. The rest of the report shows the price, date of activity, the associated agent and office, the days on market, and the cumulative days on market. The Map button brings up a map of the property location according to the tax records. Next, we'll look at the Tax Address Search tool. This simple search tool lets us specify the county, the address number range, street direction, street name, suffix, and unit number. If we want to search a specific address, we would enter the house number in both street number fields and the street name. We now have the tax record for this specific property. We can also search for a range of addresses on a specific street or streets. This brings up 26 tax records. We can now select all 26 records and choose the owner label list from the report options. We now have the mailing addresses of all 26 property owners that we can send our marketing materials to. Last but not least, we have the tax main search, which offers the most options to search by. For example, if we have a potential client that we want to prepare a presentation for, but we're unsure of their exact address, we could select the county that they are in, enter their last name, and the street name. This provides us with the tax record for the property. Or, if we want to do a much broader search, we could search all of South Washington counties for properties built in the last 5 years that have at least 3,500 livable square feet and between 10 and 12 acres. Searching the tax record has many useful applications depending on your specific data needs. For more help with searching the tax record, contact the help desk or training department, because our MLS is your MLS.